just got to do some waffle and then you'll composite all together as one. That's me. When every time I do media work, journalists will say to me, can you tell us which is the project you're most proud of? And I always tell them the next one. This time I'm not sure. This is Theory 1, and it's my pleasure to introduce you to our vision of the future of performance vehicles. With Theory 1, we're bringing into effect a new design theory based around 3 core tenets of digital, natural, and analog. And these core ideas run through everything that shapes this car. We have the car divided into 3 clear elements that reflect this design theory. The upper area of the car, this seamless, fluid, glazed shape, contains all of the intelligent features, digital capability, and safety systems for the future of driving. Through the center of the car, we have a wonderfully sculpted, more natural element to the body, which draws on our rich heritage of producing impactful design and beautiful automobiles. The lower area of the car is a celebration of analog engineering excellence. We have here exposed structure, aerodynamic aids, and completely visible on show for all to see, suspension and drivetrain systems of the car. The story of the lower of the car is really about how we've minimized the structure back to its absolute core. All of the other surfacing we've added is there to control the airflow around the front of the vehicle and off out towards the rear. And even we're exposing some of the elements of the dynamic systems and capability of the car. We have here this wing, and all of the surfacing here, both structural and aerodynamic, is actually an exposed carbon fiber. This is a chopped recycled variant, which is a much more sustainable material. We even go to the depths of having this transparent area above the headlamp, and through here you can see the aerodynamically shaped suspension on show. We're really celebrating that analog side of the Lotus performance DNA and making it part of the design narrative of this car. The overall design intention with this car is to create a pure and modern statement. The car is defined by a graphical simplicity which is recognizable from a distance. Another unique feature of this car is what we're calling the Lotus Wear technology line. This is actually a reinterpretation of the functional split line that ran around the S1 Esprit. In that case, it was joining 2 panels together, but for this car and for the future, we're actually zoning all of the technology we need in terms of digital capability, end-to-end driving, and indeed an expression of external UI UX. So in this feature line, we have rear-view camera systems that deploy LiDAR embedded cameras and sensors, and then this really, really cool OLED feature which allows the car to talk to you as the owner and indeed other road users and pedestrians.
It's really powerful. It's about our past, but it's so fresh. We are talking about experiential future. Our mission is to define our DNA for the contemporary world.
It's a step change. It's a new archetype.
There's a little bit, there's a couple of slightly sharper lines on the door, right? I think that's also better, isn't it?
Yeah, so the door we've referenced the exterior a bit for the tech bar that goes around the back.
Right, okay.
We've changed the section on this to match the fin across your tail.
Yeah. Oh, okay, and it also runs into the seat, that's quite nice.
And then we can move on to the front. Okay.
That's fine. Great stuff.
Car to come on to actually demonstrate, to allow you to see better what's going on.
Make sure you've got 1.5mm thickness for carpet.
So every line, every surface has been restriped. We've taken extra care not to deviate away from the